First trade, 16 points up. We are in line with what the SGX was indicating and suggesting. 16 points up on Nifty spot for the Sensex. It is a minor uptick of about 57 points. Let's look at banks, cement, and then auto stocks. These are three important groups. Tech Mahindra looks like the block deal has happened. 887 for Tech Mahindra. You read first on 80 now that BT has decided to exit the entire or sell the entire stake in Tech Mahindra. Bharti Airtel is at 315 rupees, and there is definitely some pressure which is now evident on NMDC. The floor price has been fixed at 147 rupees per share. If I look at the small cap index, the small cap index is off to a flat start. Rank mid-cap stocks are looking okay, real estate stocks are looking stable, media is looking okay, and the top traded count on both the exchanges once again is Unitech.
Particularly Tech Mahindra is the stock of the day, wherein BT has now sold its remaining 9% stake via the block deal. 895 is where Tech Mahindra is today, and this equates to about 1.16 crore shares that BT had left in Tech Mahindra. So that again gets knocked off today. NMDC, wherein Nikun just pointed out, the base price has been struck at 7.9% discount, the floor price at 147 rupees per share, NMDC currently at 156. Kingfisher Airlines, and they've pretty much clarified that they're in talks with various investors, which includes Etihad and not only Etihad Airways, and they are in talks for equity investments in companies as well, and no agreement, they say, has been reached with Etihad or any other airline up until now. KFA, again 5% up in the green, 1635 is where this stock is. ITC, they're looking at adding paperboard making capacity, so watch out for that one as well. In trade, Infosys, not a very positive trajectory being painted by the management. 2310 is where Infosys is after consecutive days of weakness in any case. Wipro and SEBI has now okayed the plan to meet the public shareholder norm via demerger for Wipro. Remember, Wipro promoters' stake had fallen by up to 2.7% post the demerger. So Wipro is one stock which is in focus. M&M, of course, they're looking at hiking vehicle prices by about 1% in the month of January. So watch out for this one as well. And ICICI Bank has raised about 100 million Swiss francs via a bond issue at 2.75%. ICICI Bank just about marginally in the green.